Yada say ya mwache mwakwa Adom TV Badwam dwumadie yi eso de yade di so no ye kase no ensama obetie wo mu bi ne yamampani abede akire kwaje ayaresa wo UK memu a waba abedu o man yasa siso yede ho nsam no so ebebro FDA mpanifo nso enene wonma bawura shops ahodo bi a wo moto nu bone enuro bi ani kwan so wo de ba won de aba onsa ka wo eno ne nsem bi na no pay mede bro sa Adom TV Badwam kase or share live on Facebook /Adom TV Extra Go TV 119 DSTV 280 Oko YouTuber search Adom TV 2 kwa adomonline.com and semwe ni sembe brain so ewo ho media fia amankwa tamaklo afia ni de mientie said ensem ni nchemu ankasa etie yamampani abedi akire Professor Nana Jane Opoku Ajiman ekoje ayaresa ewo UK memu enu anyame adom Ordinaba bedru ahoden kwa ahoden ekura no yamampani First Lady any abaimu mpanifo bi ene kwhia no.
Since you left, your colleagues, we've all missed you. We held the 120-day social contract program, and everybody said you should have been there. But with all the work you did before you went, we continued, and I think that we're able to present to the people of Ghana a significant percentage of the things that we had promised. But in all this, you were missed. Ghana is safe. Things are seem to be on the right track, and you've come at the right time to come and continue the work that you so beautifully started. And your colleagues were very happy to have you back. I particularly have missed you because even traveling out of the country has been difficult. They've threatened to impeach me for going to Togo when you were away. So you're warmly welcome. We are grateful to all the staff outside there who looked after you.
I also want to thank all of you, your prayers, for your good wishes. I can't be thankful enough. I'm very grateful. But I need to isolate beyond family and friends, your brother, Mr. Ibrahim. He stopped at nothing to ensure that I had what I needed. And then he also came to the hospital. He came to sit by me, and that was healing by itself. So, my little boss, I'm very, very grateful. So I'm very happy to be back. And there's so much that has happened that we all need to do. And I know that with our collective will, we'll do much more for our country.
Food and Drugs Authority mpanifo na abwera shops ahodo bi enuro bi eni kwan so omde be maimo wode abenti wonsa ka won Adom TV kase etwaso
ye wo kwan bi a on said den nkofo wode fado a wode ba no obedru ya kwan krom ha inti no inde as an institution ana FDA ye call shops maybe I want to understand me na ye call fa ni nia inti no at the end of soup no ye tumye nya products are on said or shops na de ye dwado na de yakofa inti epede ye bode wi de chenkofo de da me products said no ma nsusadu papa bia emfimo mba
Osan edi tudwase womo edi ncheche ema esukufo na womo ehu eye enubone eniema woma emmoa nipadua no na womo ebetimi akonenim na omapomuden so akonenim.
With World No Tobacco Day this year no ye be schools yakobode ru ni akachre ye mbebu na wo yini ni ade da me ye niara ehu ni mfaso inti no on said what they can one addition on said what they can one edwuma ho so that at the end of the day no obetum wenya dachi papa
Kole klote Masha Bejani enemensin mo krache penini mpenifo bi aka bom a wo bo pro e wo mensin no mu ahwe said ye enan enyapade bi esisi ho no mo an tibia no mu nye nsuo to e ha wo adwen no oboani akohoma no ahwe kwan on befa so aboa
Mrasha Bijeni wo Kole Klote Dr. Zanato Ajima Rollins enso editu dwa se enhihye egu akwam se womo edibe so eye enso to aya na etwifa omanfo enyapade so ewo san patemu ho no.
It appears that there are some buildings that have been springing up here over the last few years, and the people who work and are residing here have raised complaints about the fact that they seem to have no permits and are springing up these buildings over here and demolishing the other structures that were here before they got here. This is one of the areas where a lot of commerce happens. A lot of food that comes to Accra comes to this market. A lot of the heavy goods vehicles come over here. And so, MC, we would really appeal to you on behalf of the constituents. I would like you to please look into what is going on here with the buildings that are springing up and whether or not they've been granted permits to actually construct these buildings here.
Nadmon penny for ye war asantemantemu na ene one more enam eba pro na one more ashe gates akese no ensu to a eyiri ese nyapade dodo no ano one more atitim ti bedu enson 17 drains de Greater Kumasi Metropolis one more edwum sebe ye ensu ne to benya baby pa afa
biaya ye gine eye airport runabout and some so kese wa ha enche bia ensuo toye ema erifa adehye wa ha ene atoyire nche maboafo mo ewo mantem ne mu omo aka mo ne ma bom timu ewa ha wo hwe meche hu se dwumadie no ekoso panyina woda adwumakuya no wasante mantem ha che so mu tusara mu wei sade be ya ensuira na nsen ma no homre so ebi wonkan no ebi emfiri adehye a ewo asante mantem ha awra
se me no kase ye wo airport drain enti nyame adom ye ne regional minister Badwam wama excavators oni assemblies akasa omama tipper trucks ne wheel loaders asa for fuel car eni ankran for akasa ebi eboa that is a kurum adaho na baby nsuo fa no ekwan abeda ho nsuo no timi afa ye start free ha another machine call palele na bishia airport hadian eni asukar man pon for haye Kumasi KM ba kun so Breman UGC a ba ofiru a ifiri ho obi awie bebe ho ye na ebekọ bebe foforo ba ko sa du nson think that is 17 edu nson so for about 12 days na du mienu nyame de chen a sa atoyenchema aya yehu nso de ba no nyame adoma this year yehu bi
na ade ba ko a kamia ko ese eka ensuiri ho eye wona esi wona dan esi biaya ensuo wasante mantem ha pani no kirem se
assemblies in ma building permit inspecting nyina enti activity disaster management committees na we say assembly heads ne director ne MCs no mayor ne MCs ne DCs omo no be kan ho any police ne nti ye raise red flags a ye gidi se ombehwe na ye twom adwen ba ye osomo ye no ombe ye na afiri ho
Siapon hodo mu o my Ghana mu mechira university workers so one more etiatua one more condition of service ne nkoyie nanso aban na tie won su frenti sa strike na nko mo kono o mabo asensen
na ka say anamontu a watu no sebe won amfa ekwan a ewo se nko ofa so enti onko calling it off na fe won ensamra bio na ene won ene wadwumawura nom entena ase na wahia de enti a ana asempoti enti a ama won tu sa na mo no yenhwe ne amua ne yensiesie ade ye susu se eni kra ye kasa no one call of the strike. That is what we want to believe. And then we are share kwan so say bia asemfufuro bia o hono mo a ɛyɛ wɔn employer ɛbɛtwerɛ krata aboy amane sɛ bia ɛnhyɛ a yɛde hyɛ wɔn sɛ bi ɔnfa ɔnkɔ back to school ɛnkɔ kyerɛ adeɛ na afei wɔn san mmra ne no wɔn tena ase no wɔn ayɛ anaasɛ wɔn ntu saa namɔ no.
National Association of Graduate Teachers, Eternity as Nagrat, and they one more the and some to your teacher for and then cranketwa, senior high school for one more bro more, and cray be banner could you crocra one second in two near dear, and tray in Tino one more the one some more to jump and if one ran ye be and for home dear woman can be too on for the moon in it.
Yeah, say in Cordano, attacky teachers. I want attacky teachers na your evidence be bria your society be na obi what teacher si kind obi nso the about teacher obi nso akwa mobilizing crofo if you chrome no more attacky teachers. Sometimes teacher because say dress well na enu about teacher no form so obi nso ni mobile phones. In addition to that, some could be the tool. Any dangerous weapons at the basku. Nyamina echoes schools no. Discipline above. Nagat Council, you are taking decisions by 31st of May 2025. You expected Director General or issue public statement empowering school authorities, headmasters, headmistresses, teachers, the right to be able to withdraw students, the right to suspend indefinitely, the right to repeat students. So that wow, you be say okay to two, okay to sick kind, uye nyama and say yenus. And yes, I feel na headmaster ekwa seek permission if you be in chain. Tisase na ye na time na ye nyina ye wo school no headmaster on seek permission if you be in chance ya suspend students or munya dia say omoye. And omo by the 1st of June, your council are mandating say ekoye nim no you bet to me take any action. You bet started taking actions.
By Adom TV, Badwam Kasiana Hana Brema Quine and pay ye dear see ye da Semirani Adaje, I would emaye. Mididia fear among quarter maclo train ye yente. Ye would one cratano any online stories in Waha, yet it was so.